everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited you're here. Today, we're exploring something that can truly elevate your Shopify store, adding custom fonts. If you've ever wanted your store to pop with a unique vibe that screams your brand, stick around. This one's for you. First, let's talk about why fonts are such a big deal for your brand. Fonts aren't just about making text readable, they're like the personality of your store. They can make your customers feel a certain way. For instance, we could experiment with different fonts for my coffee shop. A font like Roboto with its sleek geometric sans serif design and clean lines can give your coffee shop a fresh, contemporary feel. It's perfect for a shop that prides itself on high-quality ingredients and innovative brewing techniques. Picture going through an online store where the menu is set in Roboto's crisp, modern type. The font's clarity and precision reflect the attention to detail involved in developing experimental product lines and tools with innovative design. In contrast, there's the Kalam font, a hand-drawn typeface inspired by those charming chalkboard signs you see in cozy cafes. Its organic, slightly imperfect strokes and textured edges give off a welcoming, nostalgic vibe, like you're stepping into a place where the barista knows your order by heart. It's perfect for a coffee shop that values tradition and a personal touch, where the focus is on comfort over flash. Picture a friendly local shop where meticulous care goes into each product, from small batch roasts to handmade cups. The font's playful human feel mirrors the care poured into blending a sense of community and hominess that makes the shop feel like a beloved local retreat. Now, Shopify's default fonts are fine, but they can feel a bit generic. That's where custom fonts come in. They let you break free and make your store truly yours. Alright, here's the deal. There are two main ways you can add custom fonts to your Shopify store, and each one has its own perks. Let me walk you through both. But before you do anything, here's a quick tip. Always back up your theme first. That way, if anything goes sideways, you've got a safe version to fall back on. Okay, let's start with the first method, using custom CSS. This is actually the method Shopify recommends. First, you'll need to download the font you want in all the necessary formats. That's usually TTF, WAF, and WAF2. Once you've got those, head to your Shopify admin, go to Content, and upload the font files in the Files section. Make sure you upload all three formats. After uploading the files, copy the URLs for each one. You'll need them in a minute. Then open up the code editor. Look for the theme CSS or base CSS file in Assets folder. Once you're in, paste the code I've provided. I'll drop the link in the video description and the pinned comment. Just swap out the placeholder URLs in the code with the ones you copied earlier. Save the file. Your custom font should now be showing up on your site. In this example, you'll see Bibas Nui in action. Now, onto the second method, using Google Fonts embed code. Google Fonts has a huge collection of free fonts you can use. Just go to their site, pick a font that fits your brand, and copy the embed code on the page. Then go to your Shopify theme's code editor, open the theme liquid file in the layout folder, and find the head tag. Paste the embed code right before the closing head tag. You might see a message saying Shopify doesn't recommend this method. Don't worry, it won't stop you from saving. This method still works just fine. Next, update your CSS. Open up your theme CSS or style CSS file and target the elements you want to apply the font to, like your body text or headings. For example, we'll use Bibas Nui for all my headings, so we need to add CSS rules for H1, H2, H3, and so on, setting the font family to the name based on the instructions on Google Fonts. You can also apply the font to the body tag if you want it used site-wide. Now let's preview the theme. Check that the font is updated. And once you've added your fonts, take a minute to check your store on different devices and browsers. You want to make sure those fonts look amazing everywhere your customers are shopping. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has sparked some ideas for leveling up your Shopify store with custom fonts. If you find this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. See you next time.